गीतशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठे प्रयतापुमान् विष्णुपदं हवाप्नोति भयशोकादिवर्जितः। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा। चित्त झोराय शादा की भात, गोवर्धनधारी गोपाल। चित्त झोराय यशोदा की बात, गोवर्धनधारी गोपाल। गोपाल 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 चित छोरा यशोदा तुला गिरिवरधारी गोपाल चित छोरा यशोदा तुला गिरिवरधारी गोपाल 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 गोपाल
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान गाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान गाते नहीं देर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं देर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
भावयामि गोपालबालम् भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपाल तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा कटिघटितमेकलया कथितमणिघण्टिका कटिघटितमेखला कथितमणिघण्टिका पतलनिनदेन विभ्राजमानं कुटिलबद्धघटित सङ्कुलशिञ्जितेन दं सतुलनटना समुज्ज्वलविलासं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालम् निरतकरकलित नवनीतं निरतकरकलित नवनीतं ब्रह्मादिसुरनिकय भावनशोभितपदं तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं मरिं तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं मरिं परमपुरुषं गोपालबालं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्
तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. In this shloka, Lord Sri Krishna said to approach a spiritual master submissively and to render service unto him to get true knowledge. Though Krishna himself is full of knowledge, yet he submitted humbly to Sandipani Muni, accepting him as his guru to set an example for all of us. When it was time for Krishna and Balarama to offer him Guru Dakshina, Sandipani Muni considered the two lords' superhuman qualities, and after consulting his wife, he chose as remuneration the return of his young son who had died in the ocean at Prabhasa. Krishna and Balarama replied, "So be it," and immediately mounted the chariot and set out. When they arrived at Prabhasa, they went to the beach and sat down there. In an instant, the deity of the ocean, recognizing them as supreme lords, approached them with offerings of tribute. Shri Krishna said, "Let the son of my Guru be presented here at once, the one you had seized with your mighty waves." The ocean god replied, "O Lord, it was not I who had abducted him, but the demonic descendant of Diti named Panchajana, who roams in the water in the form of a conch shell." Upon hearing this, Krishna dove deep into the water and then killed Panchajana, but he did not find the boy within the demon's belly. Lord Janardana took with him the conch shell that encased the demon and returned to his chariot. Then, accompanied by Balarama, he went to Samyamani, the capital of Yamaraja, the lord of death. Upon his arrival, Krishna loudly blew his conch shell, and at once Yamaraja came to worship the two lords. It is stated in the Skanda Purna that by Lord's appearance there, all the inhabitants of hell attained liberation and went to the spiritual world. Yamaraja said, "O Supreme Lords, what can I do for you, who are playing the parts of ordinary human beings?" Lord Krishna replied, "Suffering the bondage of his past activity, the son of my spiritual master was brought to you. Now obey my command and bring him to me without any delay." Yamaraja said, "So be it," and then brought Sandipani Muni's son. Krishna and Balarama departed, and after presenting the boy to their guru, they said, "Please accept one more benediction." Sandipani Muni replied, "My dear boys, you have completely fulfilled the disciple's obligation to reward his spiritual master. Indeed, with disciples like you, what more could a guru want? You may now return home. May your fame sanctify the world, and may whatever you speak remain as eternally fresh as the Vedas." Krishna and Balarama mounted their chariot, and when they returned to Mathura, the inhabitants felt just like the persons who had lost their wealth and regained it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. My name is Meenakshi, and today I am going to narrate a beautiful pastime of little Krishna. When Lord Krishna was a little boy, he was very naughty. He liked to eat up all the butter which Mother Yashoda made every day. One day, fruit seller came nearby his house. Fruits for sale, she called out. Little Krishna loved fruit, so he at once ran to the fruit seller woman and said, "I would like to have some fruit, but I don't have any money to pay." The fruit seller woman felt a great love for little Krishna. She said, "I won't take any money from you. You just give me anything else, I will take it." Little Krishna ran to the house and brought into the grains room and brought a handful of grains. His little hands could not bear so many grains, so little by little all the grains fell by. When he came back to the fruit seller, there were only 2 grains left in his hand. The fruit seller woman saw that, but she didn't tell anything, smiled and gave all the fruits to little Krishna. When she took the 2 grains and went back home. When she came back home and opened the basket, she found many precious stones and jewelries in her basket. She gave all her fruits without expecting anything from little Krishna. She was rewarded. Thank you. Moral of the story. Always share everything unconditionally. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Knowledge of the Absolute. Chapter 7. 7.8. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhashmi shashi suryayo pranava sarva vedeshu shabdkhe paurusham rishu. Translation. O son of Kunti, I am the taste of water, the light of the sun and the moon, the syllable Om in the Vedic mantras. I am the sound in the ether and the ability in man. 7.9. Punyo gandha pritivyam cha tejaschasmi vibhavaso jivanam sarva bhuteshu tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Translation. I am the original fragrance of the earth, I am the heat and fire, I am the life of all that lives, and I am the penance of all as it is. 7.10. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam vidhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatam asmi tejas tejasvinamaham. Translation. O son of Partha, know that I am the original seed of all existence, the intelligence of intelligent, and the powers of all powerful men. 7.12. Ye chaiva satvika bhava rajasastamasaschaye makta iveti tan vidhi natvaham deshu te maye. Translation. Know that all states of being, be they goodness, passion, or ignorance, are manifested from my energy. I am in one sense everything, but I am independent. I am not under the modes of material nature, for they, on the contrary, are within me.
Hare Krishna. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Jihve Pibasva Vitamita Deva Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda क्रेतुकामा किल गोपकन्या मुरारिपादापितचित्तवृत्तिः दद्यादिकं मोहवसादवोचा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति सुखं चयानानिलये निजेपि नामानि विष्णु प्रवदन्ति मर्त्याः ते निश्चितं तन्मयतां व्रजन्ति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति सुखावसाने इदमेव सारं दुःखावसाने द्विरमेव गेयं देहावसाने इदमेव जाप्यं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति जिह्वे सदैव भज सुन्दराणि नामानि कृष्णस्य मनोहराणि समस्तभक्तार्तिविनाशनानि गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति हरे कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा चरणागतं कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा चरणागतं कृष्णा इह मथुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्णा चरणागतं कृष्णा मथुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्णा चरणागतं कृष्णा मथुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्णा चरणागतं कृष्णा इह स्वागतं कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा
Narayanyam, chapter 55, Kalya Mardanam. Atavarini Gorataram Faninam Prativarayitam Kritadir Bhagavan Ditam Artati Ragani Patarum Vishamarta Shoshita Parnachayam Adiruhya Padam Guruge Nachatam Navapallavatulyam Manogyarucham Hridavarini Durataram Nyapata Parighunita Ghorataram Gagane Bhuvanatraya Bharabruto Bhavato Gurubhara Vikampi Vajam Vijala Parimajjayati Smatanushshatakam Tatini Jatiti Sudagoshavati Atadekshu Videkshu Parekshu Bida Prabhuto Daravarini Dabaraihi Udagad Uragad Ipati Tadupantamashanta Rushandamana Panashinga Sahasravinis Sumara Jwaladagnikano Gravisha Pudaram Purata Faninam Samalokayata Bahushangina Manjana Shailamiva Jwaladakshi Pariksharaduggravisha Swashanoshpabara Samaha Bujagaha Paridashya Bhavantamanantabalam Samaveshtayada Sputateshtamaho Avilokya Bhavantamata Kulite Tatagamini Balakadenugane Vajage Hatale Pyanimetta Shatam Samudikshagata Samuna Pashupaha Akhileshu Vibho Bhavadi Yadasham Avalokya Jiha Sushujiva Bharam Panivandanamashu Vimucha Javat Udagam Yataha Sujusha Bhavata Adiruhya Tata Fanirajafana Narate Bhavata Mridupadarucha Kalashinjitanu Puramanjumila Karakangana Sangula Sangwanitam Jahrushur Pashupastutushur Munayo Vahrushur Kusumani Surendaganaha Tvai Nrityadima Ragate Hapate Paripahi Samam Tamadandagadat Share Namaha Gopika Jivanasvanangunda Govinda Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, my name is Krishna Veni. நான் இப்போ கிருஷ்ண ஸ்டோரி சொல்ல போறேன். மதுரான்ற ஊர்ல கம்சன் ஒரு அரசனா வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருந்தான். அவனுக்கு ஒரு தங்க பேரு தேவகி. அந்த தேவகிக்கு ஒரு நாள் வசுதேவரை கல்யாணம் பண்ணி வச்சான் கம்சன். அப்ப வசுதேவரும் தேவகியும் தேர்ல போயிட்டு இருந்தாரு. கம்சனே பத்திரமா கூட்டிட்டு போயிட்டு இருந்தாரு. அப்ப ஸ்கைல ஒரு வாய்ஸ் கேட்டது. என்னதுன்னா, தேவகிக்கு பிறக்க போற 8வது குழந்தை உன்னைய அழிச்சிடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அது மறந்து போயிடுது. அதுக்கப்புறம் கம்சன் தேவகியும் வசுதேவரையும் ஒரு ஜெயில அடைச்சிட்டான். அப்படி தேவகிக்கு பிறக்கிற எல்லா குழந்தையும் அவன் அழிச்சுட்டே இருந்தான். ஆனா அந்த 8வது குழந்தை மட்டும் அழகா பிறந்தது. மாலை போட்டிருந்து, நெக்லஸ் போட்டிருந்து, மயில் ரெக்க வச்சிருந்து அழகா பிறந்தது. அப்ப வசுதேவர் ஒரு கூடையில அந்த குழந்தைய அழிச்சுட்டு வெளியே போயின்றார். அப்ப அந்த சோல்ஜர் எல்லாரும் மயக்கம் அழிச்சிட்டாரு. அப்போ அந்த கதவு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா திறந்துட்டு ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்ப அவர் மெதுவா அந்த கூடையில அந்த கிருஷ்ணரை தூக்கிட்டு போய் அந்த ஆதிசேஷம் அப்படியே இந்த கொடை மாதிரி வந்தது மழை பெய்யறதுனால. அப்ப அங்க ஒரு நதி இருந்தது. அந்த நதியும் அப்படியே அந்த பாதை விட்டு அவரை நடக்க விட்டாங்க. அப்போ இந்த யசோதாவுக்கு பிறந்த குழந்தைய பிருந்தாவனத்தில் அந்த கிருஷ்ணரை விட்டுட்டு அந்த யசோதாவுக்கு பிறந்த குழந்தைய எடுத்துட்டு அவர் போயிட்டார். அப்போ பிறந்தப்ப சோல்ஜர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் வேக்க போயிட்டாங்க. அப்போ அந்த குழந்தை இந்த சத்தத்தை கேட்டோடனே அந்த சோல்ஜர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் போய் இந்த கம்சன்ட்ட சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அப்போ அந்த கம்சன் இந்த குழந்தைய கொல்ல போனான். அப்போ இந்த மாயாதேவி 8வது குழந்தை ஏற்கனவே பிறந்திருக்கு, இது யசோதாவோட குழந்தைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு மறைஞ்சிட்டா. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த பிருந்தாவனத்துல யசோதா அந்த கிருஷ்ணரை கொஞ்சிட்டு பிருந்தாவனமே ஹாப்பியா இருந்தது. கோபால கோபால தேவகி நந்தன கோபால 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 தேவகி நந்தன கோபால 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 வசுதேவ நந்தன கோபால.
Krishna. Today we'll be singing a song
Madu Milkum Kanna
It is a folklore song between Ma Yashoda
and adorable Krishna.
Happy Goklashtami. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கச்சின பால் தரேன் கற்கண்டு சீனி தரேன், கச்சின பால் தரேன் கற்கண்டு சீனி தரேன், கை நிறைய வெண்ணெய் தரேன், வெயிலிலே போக வேண்டாம், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கச்சின பாலும் வேண்டாம் கற்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம், கச்சின பாலும் வேண்டாம் கற்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம், உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன், உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே, போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே. யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுதும் கல்வர் பயம், யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுதும் கல்வர் பயம், கல்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே, கல்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கல்வருக்கு கல்வருண்டோ கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா, கல்வருக்கு கல்வருண்டோ கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா, கல்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்டு துண்டமாகிடுவேன், கல்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்டு துண்டமாகிடுவேன். போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே, போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே. கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகங்கள் உண்டு, கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகங்கள் உண்டு, சிங்கம் புலி கரடி கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே, சிங்கம் புலி கரடி கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன்.
Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, verse number 65. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyam te pratijane priyosi me. This sloka sums up the entire Bhagavad Gita and is the essence of the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, Manmana, always think of me, Bhava Madbhakto, become my devotee, Madhyaji, worship me, Mam Namaskuru, pay obeisances to me. If you do this, you will certainly attain me. I am telling you this because you are my very dear friend. In this verse, Krishna explains the 4 steps to attain him. Let's see them one by one. The first step that Krishna says is to always think of him. We do a lot of day-to-day activities and somehow or the other we should relate them to Krishna. For example, we bath every day so that our body is clean. But we should bath with the consciousness that we are clean when we go in front of Krishna. We make food every day for our consumption, but we should actually make it for the primary purpose of offering it to Krishna, and then we can take it later as prasadam. The second step that Krishna says is to become his devotee. The quality of a devotee is to follow the instructions of Krishna and his pure devotees. A devotee must also see Krishna everywhere in all living and non-living entities. The third step that Krishna says is to worship him. There are many different forms of worship like Shravanam, hearing Krishna Katha, Smaranam, Kirtanam, Harikatha or chanting, Smaranam, meditating upon Krishna, Vandanam, paying obeisances to Krishna, Padasevanam, serving Krishna's lotus feet, and Atma Nivedanam, surrendering ourselves fully to Krishna. The last step that Krishna says is to pay obeisances to him. Obeisances is nothing but doing Dandavat Pranam. Like when we go to school or office or anywhere else, or even when we come back home, or when we see the Krishna deities or photos in temples or other devotees' house, we must always pay obeisances to Krishna. By paying obeisances, we are basically accepting Krishna as the Supreme Lord and surrendering ourselves unto him. By following these regularly, Krishna guarantees that we will be able to reach him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Prabhupada have instructed us to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, as this will start the liberation process. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bhajan Achyutam Keshavam. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे भुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, देर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, तुम गोपियों की तरह नचाते नहीं. अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. रामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम. हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita Chapter 5 Karma Yoga Action in Krishna Consciousness. Arjuna Uvacha Sannyasam Karmanam Krishna Punaryogam Cha Shamsasi Yachreya Yetayor Ekam Tanme Bruhi Sunishchitam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Sannyasah karma yogascha nishreyasakaravubhau tayostu कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते ज्ञेयसदित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते सांख्ययोगौ पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः एकम् अप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम् यत्साङ्ख्ये प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं साङ्ख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति सन्न्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखं नाप्तुं न योगतः योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्म न चिरेणाधिगच्छति योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विचितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, I'm Vidarshana Sridev and I would like to play Hare Krishna Mahamantra in Veena. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. My name is Shivam. I'm going to recite Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya. Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanir Bharata Abhyudhanam Adharmasya Dharmanam Shrijamyaham. Hare Krishna.
Shri Krishna
while running to escape his mother, Krishna saw Dadipanda and his pot.
Oh, Dadipanda, my mother is angry with me and she's going to hit me. So can you please hide me in this pot and tell her that you didn't see me?
Okay.
Yashoda from outside. Oh, Dadipanda, have you seen Krishna?
No, Maji, I have not seen him.
Believing him, Yashoda left. Krishna then called out from inside the pot.
Oh, Dadipanda, I can't breathe inside this pot. So can you please take me out?
Dadipanda was graced at that time by the Lord and he realized that Sri Krishna was the supreme. So he told Krishna,
Oh Krishna, only if you promise to give moksha to me and to this pot, I will let you out.
What? Give moksha to this pot?
Yes Krishna, this pot helped you hide in it. So you have to give moksha.
Okay, granted moksha to you and this pot.
Janmashtami to all. Today I am going to tell the story offering sweet rice to Krishna through meditation. Come, let's see the story. Once there lived a poor Brahmana in the city of Kritishpuran in South India. He was a very sincere devotee of the Lord and was satisfied with whatever the Lord had given him. He used to hear the glories of the Lord from realized souls. On one such meeting, while he was very faithfully hearing about Vaishnava activities, he was informed that these activities can be performed even by meditation. So daily, he used to take bath in river Godavari and then started meditating on the Lord.
When he fixed the form of Lord in his mind, he began to imagine in his meditation that he was dressing the Lord very nicely in costly clothing with ornaments, helmets, and other paraphernalia. Then he offered his respectful obeisance of bowing down before the Lord. After finishing dressing, he began to imagine that he was cleaning the temple very nicely. After cleaning the temple, he imagined that he had many water jugs made of gold and silver, and he took all those jugs to the river and filled them with holy water. Not only he did collect the water from Godavari, but he collected the water from Gangas, Yamuna, Narmada, and Kaveri. He also imagined and to physically collect all the required paraphernalia and offer the Lord. He was preparing it in his imagination. He was doing this for years, and one day he decided to offer sweet rice to the Lord. He was preparing it in his imagination, but not satisfied. In this way, he wanted to make sure whether it has cool enough, as it was very hot. He wanted to make sure whether it has cool enough, so he touched the pot and his finger burnt. In this way, his meditation broke and was surprised to see his finger was actually burnt. When he was thinking like this, in Vaikunda, Lord Narayanan began to smile humorously. He immediately sent an aeroplane that brought the Brahmana to the Lord's abode. Moral of the story: although Lord was present in Vaikunda, he was also present in the heart of the Brahmana when he was meditating on the worshipping process. Thus we understand that things offered by devotee, even in meditation, are accepted by Lord, and they help one achieve to desired result. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji, my name is Malav Stampwala. I am going to sing a Krishna bhajan. Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Everybody's hero Krishna. Everybody's hero Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Lala Gopala. Everybody's hero Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Lala Kana Govinda. Everybody's hero Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho Krishna. Nat Everybody's hero Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Pyara Basuri Wala Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Nat Khat Nat Khat Nat Khat Krishna. Krishna to everyone. This is me Devansh. Today we are celebrating the birth of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. Though one can understand the Supreme Personality by His mercy only, but I will try to give short introduction about Him as per my capacity. Krishna is a person beyond all time and space. He is a He can be understood only when he reveals himself. And to our great fortune, he has revealed himself in the Vedic literature. Bhagavad Gita, verse 7.9 says, Punyo Gandha Prativyam Cha Tejaschashmi Vibhavashau Jivanam Sarva Bhutesu Tapaschashmi Tapasvisu. This means I am the original fragrance of the earth. I am the heat and fire and the life of all that lives. I am the penances of all ascetics. Great sages like Vyasadeva, Narada, Devala, Asita, and Acharyas accept Krishna as a supreme teacher. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also says, Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate. I am the source of everything. Everything emanates from me. Lord Brahma accepts Krishna as the supreme God in Brahma Samhita. It says, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadi Radhi Govinda Sarvakaran Karanam. This means Krishna is the cause of all causes. He is a form of eternity, knowledge, and bliss. Lord Brahma also says, Govindamadi Purusham Tam Aham Bhajami. That means Krishna is Adi Purusham, the first person in this world. Tam Aham Bhajami means I bow down to you and worship you. After hearing the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna admitted, Param Brahma Param Dhamma Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Devyam Adidevam Majam Vibhum. You are the supreme personality of God, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth, the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. Therefore, one who becomes wise surrenders to Krishna and pray unto his lotus feet. So let's all come together and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी ग्वार, छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वार, छोटू सुमेरो मदन गोपाल, छोटू सुमेरो मदन गोपाल। आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वार, आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वार, बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल, बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल। छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वार, छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वार, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल। काली काली गैया गोरी गोरी ग्वाल, काली काली गैया गोरी गोरी ग्वाल, श्याम वर्ण मेरो मदन गोपाल, श्याम वर्ण मेरो मदन गोपाल। छोटी छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी ग्वाल, छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल। घास खाई गैया दूध पिए ग्वाल, घास खाई गैया दूध पिए ग्वाल, माखन खायो मेरो मदन गोपाल, माखन खायो मेरो मदन गोपाल। छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वार, छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वार, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल, छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल। हरि बोल। थैंक यू।
Hare Krishna. My name is Jay Karthik, and today I will be telling you the story about Janmashtami. Janmashtami is also known as Krishna Janmashtami or Gokulashtami. It is celebrated every year on the 8th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Bhadrapada. According to Hindu mythology, the evil king Kamsa ruled Mathura. To extend his empire, he married his sister to Vasudeva, the Yadav king. But heaven has another plan for them. When Kamsa takes the reins of the nuptial chariot, a voice from heaven booms that he will be killed by the Devaki's 8th child. After knowing about this prophecy, Kamsa sends the newlyweds to prison. Actually, Kamsa wanted to kill Devaki, but Vasudeva promised that he will give all his children in the hands of Kamsa if he would spare Devaki's life. Kamsa agreed and one by one killed all the 6 children who were born to the couple. For the 7th child, interesting things started happening. Through divine intervention, the 7th child of Devaki is transferred from her womb to the womb of Rohini, Vasudeva's first wife. And in this way, Devaki's and Vasudeva's 7th child was safely born. When Devaki was pregnant, Kamsa was anxious to kill the couple's child, but God's wishes was different. Krishna was in fact the 8th child of Devaki and also an avatar of Vishnu. That night was dark with thunderstorms and lightning. Vishnu opened all the locks and puts the gods to sleep. He also gave Vasudeva instructions on what he has to do. Vasudeva, as per the instructions, left the palace by carrying a basket containing his divine son. He crossed the Yamuna into the village of Gokul and exchanged the baby with the newborn baby girl of Gokul's village head Nanda and his wife Yashoda. In this way, Krishna grew up in Gokul and finally killed his uncle Kansa. After fighting all the challenges that he put up against Krishna. Hare Krishna.
There is an interesting story in the Bhagavata and other Puranas about Sri Krishna lifting the Govardhan Parvat or Govardhan hill when he was only a small child. The story goes like this. Once, when the elder people of Braj, including Nanda Maharaj, were planning for the puja of Lord Indra, Sri Krishna, a child then, questioned to them as to why they were doing so. Nanda Maharaj explained to Krishna that this was done every year to please Lord Indra so that he continued to grace the people of Braj by providing rain as and when required. But little Krishna debated that they were farmers and they should only do their duty or karma to the best of their abilities. By concentrating on farming and protecting their cattle, rather than performing pujas or conduct sacrifices like this for any natural phenomenon. Finally convinced by Krishna, the villagers did not perform the puja. Furious with the inhabitants of Braj for listening to the little child, Krishna, and worshipping the Govardhan hill instead of him, Indra, the god of heaven, decided to punish them by sending terrible rain clouds to flood the land of Vrindavan. Calling the Samavrataka clouds of devastation, Indra ordered them to lash upon Vrindavan with torrents of rain and thunderstorms. and cause extensive floods that would destroy the livelihood of the inhabitants. Terrible rains and thunderstorms ravaged the land and submerged it underwater. The frightened and helpless inhabitants of Vrindavan approached Lord Krishna for help. Krishna, who understood the situation perfectly well, lifted up the entire Govardhan hill at once with his left hand and held it up like an umbrella. One by one, all the inhabitants of Vrindavan, along with their cows and other household possessions, took shelter under Govardhan hill. For 7 days they stayed under the hill, safe from the terrible rains and surprisingly undisturbed by hunger or thirst. They were also astounded to see the huge Govardhan hill resting perfectly balanced on Krishna's little finger. Stunned and mystified with the order of events, King Indra called back the clouds of devastation, thus stopping the thunderstorms and rain. The sky became clear again and the sun shone brightly over Vrindavan. Little Krishna asked the inhabitants to return home without any fear and gently placed the Govardhan hill back to exactly where it was. All the inhabitants of Braj, including Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda, and Balrama, hailed Krishna and embraced him with happiness. This was how the false pride of King Indra was shattered to pieces. He came to Lord Krishna with folded hands and prayed to him for forgiveness. Sri Krishna, being the Supreme Personality of Godhead, bestowed his grace on Indra and also enlightened him about his dharma and duties. Thank you.
जो है अलबेला मद नैनों वाला, जिसकी दीवानी बिजकी हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मद नैनों वाला, जिसकी दीवानी बिजकी हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं। तुम मीरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा की जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। बेर शबरी की जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी की जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्.
Hare Krishna. My name is Ayansh. Happy Janmashtami to all. Today I am going to sing a bhajan for Lord Krishna. Hope you all will enjoy it. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Radhe Govinda bhajo, Radhe Gopal bhajo. Radhe Govinda bhajo, Radhe Gopal bhajo. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Giridhari Shyam bhajo, Radhe Govinda bhajo. Giridhari Shyam bhajo, Radhe Govinda bhajo. Madhuvan Sanchari Shyam Gopal bhajo. Madhuvan Sanchari Shyam Gopal bhajo. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna to all. A very happy Janmashtami to all of you. My name is Harshit Singh and today I am going to sing a bhajan, Achyutam Keshavam. Once again, a very happy Janmashtami to all of you.
Hare Krishna, today I am going to say Yada Yada Dharmasya. Yada Yada Dharmasya. Glanirbhavati Bharata. Abhyutanam Dharmasya. Atmanam Sujaniham. Parittanaya Sadhanam. Vinashaya Chadushkritam. Dharma Samsthapanarthaya. Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Janma Karma Cha Me Divyam. Evam Yuveti Tattvataha. Neti Mukti Sojana. Thank you. हरे कृष्ण श्री चौराष्टकम व्रजे प्रसीदं नवनीतचौरं गोपाङ्गणानां च दुकूलचौरम् अनेकजन्मार्चितपापचौरं चौराङ्गगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि श्रीराधिकाया हृदयस्य चौरं नवाम्बुद श्यामलकान्तिचौरं पादाश्रितानां च समस्तचौरं चौराङ्गगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि अकिञ्चनीकृत्य पादाश्रितं य करोति भिक्षुं पतिगेहहीनं केनाप्यहो बीशचौर ईदृक् दृष्टश्रुतो वा न मया कदापि यदीयनामापि हरत्यशेषं गिरिप्रसाराणपि आश्चर्यरूपो ननु चौर ईदृक् दृष्टश्रुतो वरमया कदापि दानं च मानं च तदेन्द्रियाणि प्राणंश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव पालस्य ये कुत्र धृतोऽद्यचौर त्वं भक्तिदं यासि मया निद्रुह चीनत्सि घोरं यमपासबन्धं बीनत्सि भीमं भवपासबन्धं चीनत्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्तकृतं तु बन्धं मन्मानसे तामसराशिघोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबन्ध लाभास्वहे चोरहरे चिराय स्वचौर्यदोषोचितम् एव दण्डम् कारागृहे वस सदा हृदये मतीये मद्भक्तिपाशदबन्धननिश्चलासन् त्वां कृष्ण हे प्रलयकोटिशता